case. He warned us in 1949. One man predicted this entire moment before blockchain, before the internet, before any of us even heard of crypto. He said the investor's worst enemy is himself. And in 2025, Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum are proving him right. Bitcoin just dropped to
74,000
after new tariffs. Ethereum is down 45% this year. XRP crashed 40% after winning in court. This market is bleeding, but he would say this is where fortunes are made. He didn't know about Satoshi Nakamoto. He didn't write a white paper. He didn't care about coins or consensus algorithms, but he did understand this. In the short run, the market is a voting machine, but in the long run, it's a weighing machine. He was obsessed with value, with discipline, with safety, and he warned us. Most people don't lose money because of the market. They lose money because of their behavior. Drop your guess in the comment who he was. Let's talk about what's really happening out there. Bitcoin is falling from 91,000 just weeks ago down to
74,000.
Why? U.S. tariffs? Economic fear? Some analysts say it might fall to 70 or even 50,000 by summer. Ethereum is in a free fall from 3,300 down to 1,800. But the Petra upgrade is coming May 7th. It will let you stake up to 2,048 Ether. Damn. I wish I had that. XRP? It won in court. And still it dropped to 213. Coinbase is launching XRP futures this month, a huge sign of institutional interest. So why are people panic selling? Because they forgot the fundamentals. Our mystery investor had one sacred rule: margin of safety. He said, you must never delude yourself into thinking you're investing when you're speculating. Buying XRP when SEC sued Ripple and everyone panicked, that was investing. Chasing XRP at $3 after the headlines say XRP is back, that is speculating. That's fine if you do that. Right now, XRP is hated FUD everywhere. But under the hood, institutional tools are being built, and they've been being built forever. True intelligent investors see value before it's obvious. Let's talk Bitcoin. The U.S. government just created Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. We all know that. Trump signed into law March 6th. The Treasury is now stockpiling forfeited Bitcoin. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's price is slipping. Because of geopolitical headlines, people are scared. But think about this. Governments are treating Bitcoin like gold, and retail traders are still chasing pump and dumps. The intelligent investor is a realist. Don't be fooled by price action. Follow the infrastructure. Ethereum has been punching the bag of 2025. But the Petra upgrade is a game changer, increasing the staking cap from 32 to 2,048 ETH will change validator dynamics and encourage large players to log in. Right now, Ethereum looks weak, but upgrades mean scalability, speed, lower gas, and real-world usability. This is exactly when an intelligent investor leans in. He probably would ask, what will this be worth once the world actually uses it? Right now, Ethereum is on sale. Imagine this man woke up today, April 7th, 2025. He would analyze fundamentals, not memes. Focus on XRP adoption curve, not its price. Recognize BTC's strategic positioning despite short-term volatility. See ETH 45 drop as a gift, not a warning. He wouldn't panic. He'd prepare. He would invest in use case, infrastructure, and long-term conviction. Speculators are obsessed with price. Investors are obsessed with value. Most people are flipping altcoins trying to double their money overnight. But the most successful crypto holders, they play a different game. They study behavior. They buy fear. They hold what others mock. This isn't about being early, it's about being right. So who was this mystery man? The man who predicted fear cycles, emotional investing, and speculation traps. His name? Benjamin Graham. His book, The Intelligent Investor. He mentored Warren Buffett. He survived the Great Depression and created a blueprint for long-term wealth. Here's the irony. Most people in crypto have never heard of Benjamin Graham. They follow influencers, watch charts, and chase hype. But Graham, He laid the foundation to survive any market. He never bought Bitcoin, but he understands better than most people today. Crypto doesn't need more noise, it needs more wisdom. The greatest crypto investor in 2025 might just be a man who died in 1976. Crypto is noisy, the intelligent investor is quiet. If you want to think clearly, invest patiently, and build generational wealth, you need to know where to start. And if this video made you think differently, drop intelligent hold in the comments, hit like, subscribe, and follow for more. Hold smart, do your own research, and let's get those gains, crypto fam. Thank you for having conversations. And here's all the comments that from the last video. Leave your comments on this video and we'll post all the comments on the next video. Here they are. Y'all have a good day.